Hey Janice, this is Keith Angel, Sonny King Toyota here in Anniston. I want to send you a little quick video of the 2014 Chevy Cruze. Very nice car, very clean car. Interior, everything is immaculate on this car. Tires are real good. It's been through our service department, and you can see on the inside right here is an automatic, has AM/FM with CD player. It is very nice. Got cruise control, got tilt wheel, got power windows, power door locks and everything. It's really a clean car. Go around to the rear right here. It's really got some good trim levels on it. It's got some good style to it. You can see, I'm trying to get a good video of it right here. 4-cylinder, gas mileage is going to be really good on it. You're going to be looking around 35 miles per gallon. I'll show you there. If you can see that, that's the equipment and everything on the car. And let me open it up right here and show you this. It has 52,000 miles on it, which is nothing for a 2014. That's low mileage. That's really good miles on it. It's got plenty of room if you need room for the rear seat. You can see that it's really roomy in here for a small car. And let me tell you something, Janice, these cars are going really fast because they are a low price range car. I believe they're asking like $10,900 for this. It's like I said, it's a very, very nice car, and we're selling these inexpensive cars really quick. Good gas mileage, good payments. We got real good financing available. So it would make you a nice car. If you got a trade in, we'll look at a trade and get you a good deal on it. Thank you so much, and you have a blessed day. And my name is Keith Angel.